Welcome back. This Excel tutorial will show you how to protect a worksheet. So it's quite a simple one. You just want to go to the review tab along the top and then click on protect sheet. You'll need a password to make the sheet unprotected, so set this to whatever you like, and then you can protect the worksheet and the contents of the locked cells. If you want to know how to lock a cell, I've done a video showing you how to do that, so feel free to go watch that. And then you've got the options here so that you can choose what the users of the spreadsheet can actually do to the page. For example, if you share it, you can prevent them from doing all of this stuff, or let them, depending on what you want. So that's it. It's quite a short one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.